guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this, which is my 1993 numatic nvr200. This machine I've actually built up from parts. So I've got the top casing, the base and the motor for it from good friend Adam. And I've had to source all the other bits myself. So I managed to get a scrappy 98 Henry off eBay that was missing the top cover, and it had all the innards, so it had all the inside casings, the rewind, the cable, all the switches and stuff, which I could just put into this. So we've got the cable here, which is the original one that came on the 98 Henry. The sealed plug and the yellow tag, just telling you about how to wire it and stuff. Wind that back in. The base is in quite good condition. I haven't stuck a face on it at all. I've just left it faceless. I think it looks quite good without a face. Show you inside. I've got a brand new handle on there as well, because it didn't come with a handle. We've got quite a good, nice condition filter in there, and then we've got the older style like dust bag in here as well. The NVM1-C type bag. Just put the top back on. There we go. I will turn it on and run it and vacuum with it, but I'm going to warn you, it doesn't run very well. It is something I'm going to have to sort out, because I think Adam had the motor that this has in it in another Henry, and something happened with that Henry and a lot of dust got into this motor, and I just haven't had the chance to clean it out. But we're on lockdown at the minute at the time of recording this video. So that's something for me to do while all this coronavirus stuff is going on. So we'll prop you up and we'll show you this one in action. So before we go any further, I do want to apologise for the quality of this video, which is quite poor, mainly because my phone's broken. Well, it's not broken, the camera's broken on the phone, so I can't record videos on my phone. So back to using the iPad with a fisheye lens attached to it. But here's the hose I got with that 98 Henry. It's pretty good condition. Original 90s hose with a metal bent end on it. So I just given this machine this hose and bent end really to have with it. So we'll turn the machine on. So it vibrates quite a bit. So yeah, let's just show this in action. Yeah, as I said, it does vibrate quite a bit. Probably just needs its fans cleaning, bearings oiling up, and yeah, we'll be good to go with it then. But yeah, it's not a bad little cleaner. All it basically is a Henry without a face and numatic written on it. But yeah, it's exactly the same as a 93 Henry of the time. But yeah, anyway, there we go. There was my 93 nvr200. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.